Hi, welcome to the Hour Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the PT23G 23 gauge pin nailer. First, make sure the tool is disconnected from the air supply. Turn the tool over and then release the magazine by pressing the latch and pulling it open. Remove the plate retaining bolts. Remove the front plate. Slide a strip of pin nails through the front door to push out any jammed nails. Or use a screwdriver for a tough jam. Place the front plate on the tool, reinsert the plate retaining bolts, and retighten. Insert a full strip of nails into the magazine. Slide the magazine closed until it locks in place. Reconnect the air supply hose. And now you can get back to work.